My name is Irfan Zafran bin Muhammad bin, and we are from group 37. Our project is Mart Cashier. This is our team members. Introduction. Now, a small and medium business need a proper system to efficiently manage the operation. And the problem arises when they have to track inventory, manage customer orders, and calculate costs manually, which can lead to time-consuming, human error, and inefficient. So the Mart Cashier was created to solve this problem. This program is to track a real-time view of available product, simplifying customer purchase and calculate accurate cost of a customer purchase. And this is input table. So the input, user select option to view product, user select option to add to cart, provide the product name and quantity, user select option to view cart, user select option calculate, and admin select option to add stock, user select option exit. So the process, it will go through the product list and display the product details, name, price, and the stock. Second, check if the product exists, validate stock availability, and add the product and quantity to the cart. The third, it will go through the cart item and display the product detail, name, price per unit, and the quantity. Next, it will calculate the total cost by summing up the product of price and quantity for each item in the cart. Next, it will validate the admin password and add the stock by specified amount. And it will end the program. And the output, list of available product, confirmation message or error message such as insufficient stock, list of cart item with quantities and price, total cost of item in the cart, confirmation message or error message, and exit message.
So next, we're gonna take a look at flowchart. The flowchart outlines a process for a user interacting with a system, starting with a selection, an option like view product, add to cart, or checkout. The flow involves checking for product availability, confirming action, calculating cost, and displaying message based on user action. It ends with either exiting the program or showing the total cost of the item in the cart. The flow ensures smooth navigation and proper handling of user management system UML diagram. The stock management system class is the controller, handling core operations like viewing product, adding item to the cart, and updating stock. It interacts with the cart class, which holds cart item object representing product and their quantities. Each cart item is associated with a product, which include details like name, price, and stock. The relationship between these classes ensures smooth functionality, such as adding items to the cart, reducing stock, and calculating total. This design is modular, making the system easy to use and extend for the future features. Okay, so moving on to the implementation. So, this is the selection structure. This slide explains the Java implementation of the selection structure using a switch statement. The code allows users to perform different actions based on their user input. For the case 1, this code uses a do-while loop to create a menu for the store management system. It displays options like viewing product, adding to the cart, or exiting. Users are prompted to enter a choice. If the input is invalid, not a number, the program asks the user to try again, ensuring proper input validation. The menu repeats. This code demonstrates the use of a one-dimensional array to store product in a store system. An array named product is created to hold up to 20 product objects. Each index in the array is assigned a product object with attributes like name, price, and stock quantity.
To order lah. So these are the implement at least two types of Java methods, and system.out.print in and put the total cost and RM how many plus the total lah. So next is add stock to a product. We have to put the password, and if the password wrong means it will shows like invalid password or access denied. And next is object classes, constructors, objects, scanner equal to scanner, classes, products, and constructors are the actually same one. Have to put the name, the prices, and the stock, how many stock we want to order lah. Integer name, integer password like that lah. So next is the common good programming practice. So we have to put the cases like before this my friend was mentioning. So got 6 cases, same like that only. We have to do like manually.
Last but not least, for output, we can see a list of a product that are still available or not. To buy a product, the buyer needs to enter a number 2 and enter a product name. The system will be show the numbers of the product still available or not. Then the buyer can continue to add to cart. Then the buyer need to press a number 3 to see the product that the buyer needs to pay for the system. For the next slides, to pay, the buyers need to enter a number 4 to calculate the total and purchase a product. For the admin, needs to enter a number 5 and enter a password to add a new product and restock the product. And for the last part,